Every day appear more than 5 million of new application users, increasing their cost to millions of dollars. Do you know what these figures are? It is the amount of sales of applications which was received thanks to you. Why thanks to you? You used and told about them to friends, and it is free advertising for which nobody paid you. We would like to present a new product to you, Tireless Messenger, and it differs from all the others in a way that as you invite friends you receive shares. The more people begin to use it, the higher share price becomes. Let's follow an example. If you have earned one share on start and its cost was $50, the volume of app users is growing and as a result you can earn more than $20,000 for one share. To make communication simpler, the Messenger has built-in translator, but the most interesting is the built-in cryptocurrency wallet. It couldn't be easier to earn. Download and start now.